guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azaria. So in today's video, I will be doing a review on the Dose of Color foundation. This is the foundation packaging. Y'all, I bought this foundation about like right when it came out. I don't know, it's almost been 2 months probably, but I just never did the review on it. This is what it looks like. Dose of Colors. This is my first time ever purchasing anything from this company. I got the shade 130. Let me tell y'all a couple details about this foundation if you've never heard of it. So, okay, so it retails for $36. It gives you a natural to matte finish, medium to full buildable coverage, skin-like feel, available in 42 exclusive shades, 6 different complexion categories: fair, light, light medium, medium tan, dark, and deep. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. So it says it gives you a natural matte finish, medium to full coverage, and it has 42 shades. It feels good. And this is the pump. Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. It's not thin, but it's not too thicky like me. I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead using my beauty blender. Y'all, I love this beauty blender. I bought it off of Amazon. If y'all care, I'll put the link down below. I'm going ahead and go in. I get so happy when I get my shade. Y'all know what? One thing I will say, since starting my own YouTube channel, I purchased a lot more makeup, like a lot, especially a lot more foundations, and I can really tell the difference between certain foundations. Like before, I used to be like, oh, you know, just foundation. But once you really get into makeup, you really know the differences in different foundations. Like you see little things, you notice little things. But yeah, I bought a lot more makeup, y'all. One thing I want to say, y'all, one thing I'm super not the best at doing, sometimes I forget my neck. And not that I forget my neck, but one thing I have noticed, and if you can give me any tips or tricks on this, one thing I have noticed whenever I put on foundation, like my foundation matches my neck, but then when I put on my highlight is when it's off. My face looks lighter than my neck. So if y'all have any advice, any tips and tricks, you know, on what I can do, let your girl know, because I will do it, okay? Because I be looking back at my videos, I be like, you know, your neck doesn't go together with your face at all. So y'all, I like the way this looks. Like, I feel like I just like this. Like, it's not heavy. Like, my skin feels good. Like, y'all know I can't multitask, right? Barely. So one thing I will say is my skin feels like just, I don't feel like it feels like skin. Like, I don't feel like I have a bunch of makeup on, but I just have the foundation on. I am getting a matte look. This is giving me matte, okay? And yeah, it does seem like it's buildable, but I like it. What y'all think? I like it, y'all. I like it. But the only thing is, they don't have they don't have concealers or setting powders. Let me double check real quick. Yeah, the only thing they have is foundations, highlighters, and brushes. And they have lip products. Oh, eyeshadows. So yeah, this is like their first little thing. And I like it though. I like it. So for my concealer, I'm going to be going in with Jeffree Star Concealer. One thing I will say is he did his thing with this concealer. Like, he really did his, like, this concealer is like just, it gives you like this airbrush look. If you haven't seen my review on that, go check it out, or I'll put it up here. Guys, like, y'all, it comes off like butter. Like, so I just put on the concealer, I just put on the foundation. So now I am going to Huda Beauty medium in the shade medium tantour contour and browser cream. I love this contour, y'all. Contour. And this is also the brush. I'm just gonna I just messed that all up, but we gonna keep it cute and keep moving forward, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some setting powder, and I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting. Do I want to use that? All right, so for setting powder, instead of the Sacha Buttercup, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye in the shade Topaz. Hold on, y'all. I need to do something with these lips, because these lips is just, it's not it right now. Like, blend this in. And as y'all know, or if this is your first time here, I don't really like baking. I just kind of, you know, do what I just did. All right, so now I am going to, do I want to put on eyeliner?
5 hours later.
All right, you guys, so I just put on some eyeliner, and y'all can see I really messed up with this eyeliner. Like, I don't know what happened today. It was just, today is just my day, y'all. Like, I don't know. So overall, for the Dose of Colors foundation, you guys, I like it.
5 hours later.
All right, hey you guys, welcome back. I just wanted to come back and show you guys I'm doing a quick little update. So I put on the makeup around 5 o'clock this evening, and now it is 1 a.m. and this is what my makeup looks like. Yeah, my face, like, I don't feel like, you know what's so crazy? You know what's so crazy is sometimes when I wear foundations, after like hours, my face can get extremely oily. Like, my face can be extremely oily. I guess it's what foundation you use. But as y'all can see, my face is not like oily. Like, it's not oily. Like, so like one foundation, I would say my skin was super oily, and it was one of the Maybelline foundations. I'll put the link up above. Y'all can check out that video. But overall, my face feels like, it feels like I have nothing on my face. Like, I forgot I had on makeup until, I don't know what made me remember I had on makeup. Probably my hands. That's good. But y'all, I felt like I don't have nothing on my face. I love the overall look. I like how my face is not oily. It does give you a matte medium coverage look. I recommend you guys go spend your coin on this product. Oh, and tonight I went to go see the movie Hustlers. If you haven't gone and seen that movie, it just came out today. But if you haven't gone out and seen that movie, go check it out. J-Lo did her thing on that, okay? She is a great actress, and Cardi B and Keke Palmer. Who else is in there? I think her name Liz, the singer Liz. So if you still debating on whether or not you should go see Hustlers or not, it's a very good movie. But yeah, so overall, this is what my face looks like. I just want to come back and show you guys really quick. I'm gonna wipe off this makeup and go to sleep. Stay tuned for my other videos. I do have a giveaway coming up once I hit 200 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe, girl. I'm gonna be giving out some makeup, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys next video. Bye.